Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to keep Google account signed in on Chrome. I'll show you different steps to do so. Firstly, let's see how to enable sync in Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your web browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. If you already signed in to Chrome, you'll see an option to turn on sync. Click this button. Enter your Google account credential and follow the prompt to sign in. Turn on your sync. After signing in, Chrome will ask you if you want to turn on your synchronization. Click yes, I am able to sync. This will keep you signed in and keep your bookmark history, password and other settings across device. Manage sign-in settings. Go back to settings in Chrome. Under You and Google, ensure Sync and Google Services is enabled. Click on Sync and Google Services. Ensure that sync is enabled for the items you want to keep synchronizing. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Manage cookies and site data. Check cookies. Go to settings and privacy, cookies and other sites. Ensure that cookies are allowed for Google services. You can select allow all or block third-party cookies as needed. Clear cookies carefully, avoiding cookies for Google domain. If you want to stay signed in, clearing cookies may sign out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.